It was good, Josh. So I just got some insane kills in this game, bro. This is my first time playing. I got 2 kills, I mean, like 2 or 3, and then like I they were so cool because I did like a little rolly thingy, and I freaking shot them. I just roll, jump, and shot them. I hit them first try, bro. And then I killed my third person. We both killed each other, bro. It was funny, bro. But I don't even know how I did that rolly thingy. Like, oh, you gotta wait for the blue bar to fill up. Okay, hold on. Wow, okay. How he got a classic skin, but he's so good? I'm not gonna say hacker. I'm not no little kid, bro. I don't say hacker when someone kills me. See, that's what insane kills I be getting. Yo, that that dude's good. He got his skin on, bro. You know. Yo, I feel like I'm going through some type of puberty or something. My voice has been cracking a lot. Oh my god. Dude. Not cook. Yo, these guys are some pros. No lie. Dude's the highest level on the server too, bro. I'm protected. Oh no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Bro, I'm level 1 100%. How am I not level 2? That don't make no sense. Oh, you wanna get shot? I'll kill you, cuz. Kill you, bro. Kill you, bro. I'm not joking around with this, cuz. I'm not joking around with you. Holy crap, dude. Yo, oh, it's not their level. It's how many kills they have. What am I talking about? I was about to say, I'm a level 4. Wait, hold on. Cuh. Yo, I am a pro at this, bro. This Christian is really starting to get on my nerves. No lie, bro. Dude, sniping me all over the place, bro. Get some payback, bro. Whew! Wait, it didn't let me shoot. It made me shoot the first time, and the second time I literally didn't shoot. But this game is actually pretty fun. How have I never got to playing this? I like this. This is pretty fun. Yo, that Christian dude's around here somewhere. I know it. I knew it, bro. I knew he was around here somewhere, bro. You see a dead body? Christian, where you at, bro? Bro, look where you wouldn't think of looking. Christian over here sniping people, bro. Jump, 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 shoot. What the heck? Yo, these people be killing. You can be jumping around, bro. It's so easy, bro. They kill you, bro. I'm not trying to die over here, bro. Yo, what am I at? Man, I didn't even get a high place in there. Did I get a skin or something? No. Can't. Apparently not. Okay, let's see his own. Christian over here at level 4, and he's so good, bro. Christian, props to you, bro. What is up, bro? By the time I'm done with this video, bro, I'm hoping at least a level 5, though. That's what I'm trying to get my goal to. Trying to get some points, too. Skins, maybe? I'm trying to get costumes and skins over here, bro. I'm trying to look like a pro, bro. I'm probably not going to end up buying no coins, though. I'm not trying to spend Robux on this. Plus, I don't got none to spend. Yo, Christian, I know you're somewhere here, bro. You're never on my team, so I can't, like, you know, We grab you. I feel like I'm using aimbot. Oh, that's how you do it. You click R. No, Christian, you're not smart. That's the thing about you, cuh. What the? That wasn't Christian. Yo, that's funny, bro. Yo, dude was creeping up on me. I was like, you're not smart. It's pretty trash. I almost cracked him. You wanna get cracked? Cracked! Hold on, I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna roll up. Be like, psych. Dude, don't see me coming. Yo, I might as well run away a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Literally after spawn. I hit him. Yo, YouTube. You're seeing this, right? YouTube. Look at, watch this, watch this. You saw that, YouTube, right? YouTube. There's a hacker. Thank you. Apparently not. I'm not going up there. Anyone I could kill? Yo, Hifu? Nobody. Anybody? Come on. I'm trying to get some kills out here, bro. Oh. Yo, that's funny, bro. I'm over here. I'll walk there. Shoots me, bro. Yo, I'm getting clips. It's gonna be freaking tons of clips on this, bro. I'm gonna roll in there. You know what I'm saying, bro? Rolling in. Whoop, snap, he got cracked. I was in the middle of rolling. Christian's an aimbotter, bro. No way. I was rolling. Yo, I literally can't aim. For my freaking life, literally, I can't aim for my life. Because I just died. Oh, I could have killed him. Yo, this game's so dumb. Can I be on someone good's team? Like, I'm over here, like, freaking dying all the time. I'm the third worst person on my freaking team. Can I get on a team that's actually, like, oh, wait, never mind. I'm not on the Cowboys team. Christian, you're dumb. Oh my god. Micropower and Christian, yo. They are the best people here. And yet they're freaking trash at the same time, bro. Like, I will snipe them. First of all, come here, because you're not good. You're not good. That's the thing, bro. Dudes think they're good. But they're really not. Like, that's the thing, bro. Whew. I'm getting heated up here, bro. You know what I'm saying, bro? These people aren't good. You know what I mean, bro? Wait, hold on. Let me see how much I used to buy, in coins. Let me, no, I won't be buying any coins. Unless I get, like, some Robux, bro. Which I might be getting. I might be getting enough Robux to get 8,000 gold, but, you know. I'm either gonna get that or change my name. Because I actually might just go try hard in this game. Like, I might literally. I'm not a level 5. I can't go anywhere. Plus free for all? Oh my god, I'm gonna rage, bro. Oh my god, yeah. Easy, bro. I'm getting better, bro. Calm down if you think I'm actually getting kind of good. Like, I'm getting some crazy shots, bro. No lie. Alright, bro. Try hard mode this game. I don't like I'm gonna try hard on me. What the? I didn't even mean to do that. I can't do that. Every time I try to snipe somebody, I just like end up missing like 100 times. I was in the middle of an animation. This game is so. What in the world? How is that guy so good at sniping? God, you're not good. I hit him. You see what I mean, bro? I hit him. He didn't die. What the heck? Thought it was supposed to be one-shot kills. Micropower, you're trash. You're trash too. You're trash. You're trash too. You're trash too. Come on, come on, come on. You're trash. Oh my god, my gun was reloading. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why do I have to be in a server with people that are way higher levels than me? Like, I thought this was supposed to be the game mode for people that are not level 5 yet. I thought I was going to the easy game mode, not level 5, so this is the only game where I can go to. So apparently, high levels like to come on here, so I could just get all the easy people, because they're freaking trash. What the heck? What the heck? I hate this, yo. I literally hate this right now. How did I? Oh my god. Can I just hurry up and get to level 5 so I can go to a different game mode? My god. Micropower, you're not good. Christian, you're not good. Chandelier, on the chandelier, I wanna swing on the chandelier, on the chandelier. Can I like play this? Wait, hold on. I, I wanna swing on the chandelier, on the chandelier. I wanna swing on the chandelier, on the chandelier. What's good, cuz? I like it this game started around my cowboy, around my cowboy action, right out there, I kill you, I'm gonna try hard mode, cuz. You know what I'm saying, cuz? This dude right there. Yo, you think I'm stupid? I ain't stupid. You boys fall low when he's stupid. You look stupid. I just look. What the heck? My god, I'm gonna rage. Did I kill him? Alright. No, no, you're, thank you, thank you. No! Thank you. Me and, this. Oh my god! Why couldn't you kill the person next to me? Why is it always me? Oh my god. Good thing is, though. Idiots. Wait, oh, no, 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 no. Idiot! What the? This video's almost over. Bye, YouTube, bro. I don't even know what to say, YouTube, but bye, man. Bye.